Thank you for being a part of the Billboard Philippines Mainstage, the Year 1 Anniversary. Maraming salamat!
Guys, kakatapos lang ng Billboard at yung huli ay yung performance ng SB19. Nagkaroon ng technical difficulties like twice nangyari. So nakaka-alarma, no? Dahil yung mga reaction ng members ng SB19 hindi ko alam kung naiinis na ba sila or what. Kasi ang nangyari kasi parang medyo mabagal yung instrumental o yung music. Yung -1, I don't know. It's not a live version kasi wala namang banda. Pero parang slow yung music. So hindi nakakasabay yung SB19. So ang nangyari, talagang twice silang nag-ulit tapos nainis na sina Diyos. Nakita niyo naman sa video na i-upload ko. Talagang yun yung hinihintay ng mga ibang fans dito. Kaya yung iba nainis na rin, umuwi na and all that. Kasi huli na magpa-perform ang SB19. So napaka I don't know ano nangyari. Parang siyempre, di ba, sila yung pinaka-last and then nangyari yung ganong technical difficulties na hindi talaga dapat mangyari sa mga ganitong concert performances. Show, di ba? Talagang dapat nire-rehearse yan, di ba? So, I was like, why? Ba't nangyayari to? Yung B rin, nagkaroon din ng technical difficulties like yung cherry on top nila. Parang hindi nila nasabayan, tapos napatay yung music, pero tinuloy pa rin nila. But still, hindi na nila inulit, unlike yung SB19, inulit pa rin nila. So, grabe yung experience. I don't know how to feel, what to feel, pero okay naman. Kasi first anniversary nila, but medyo nagkaano lang yung technical difficulties and all that. But anyways guys, thank you for watching. Pinapaalis na ako guys, pinapalabas na kasi magtutuna at pauwi na guys. So, I have to go out na kasi pinapaalis na yung mga ibang tao. Pero thank you, sharing experience guys. It was worth it even though natapos siya ng 1:58. So mga 2 AM na natapos. Pero ayun, at least nakita natin yung SB19, Beanie and all the artists at Sarah Geronimo. So it was a good one.